Okay. Anybody knows anything about Minnesota, you've heard about the long goodbye. People in Minnesota, they take 20 minutes to say goodbye to each other. I think Mother Nature, if you look behind me, is having a hard time saying goodbye to winter here in Minnesota. Last week, it was 75 degrees here. Melted all the snow. We had, but right behind me, we had 5 feet of snow. Last night, we had a foot of snow again. You can see the trees behind me. It's beautiful. In the winter, it's a marshmallow world here in Minnesota. I don't know if you can see just how happy my eyes are right now, but they're not. It is not. I know that looks beautiful, but it's frickin' the end of April. Come on, Mother Nature. Say goodbye.